Hello and welcome to Sethioz Reviews. So here we have an Alxum docking station, and I was told that this is read as awesome, or well, pronounced as awesome, but I don't really see this. How does this work? It's Alxum, what? I don't see this, guys. I don't know how it works, but well, the pronouncement, I don't know. I say Alxum, but they say awesome. I don't know. Let's... Okay, don't use the force, guys. That's a bad idea. Don't use the force. What is that? Yuck, man. I don't know what the heck that was. Okay, so... what? There's another one. What the heck? That's like a mini leaf or something. Look at that. I don't know what's happening, but I didn't do it. I'm just gonna open this, unbox this. Let's see. Let's do it really gently. Don't use the force. See? It comes out nice and easy. Who cares? There we go. It's all out now. Thank you, Awesome Guard by Alxum. Yeah, go away. What is this? User manual. Who needs that? We got an adapter in here, I believe. Yes, it's a 12 volts, 3000 milliampere hours, and it looks like it's some kind of a connector that you can remove. But okay, let's put this on the side. That's the USB cable. There we go. Yep, that's the. That looks a little bit different. I never seen this before, or have I? I'm not sure why does it look so weird, but okay. Let's move on. Then we have these connector thingies in here that comes with EU and UK one, so choose your poison. That's pretty cool. Okay, that's just a cardboard. Let's get rid of that. I don't know if there's an US one or not, but if there is, I will put it in the description. But okay, this looks pretty awesome. I still don't see how it's pronounced as awesome, but click, 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 click. So this is an USB3 to SATA thing. Both are SATA controllers, I mean the connectors. And it also has a clone function on it, which you can use. And I don't know which one is the clone, the source, and which one is destination. I think A is destination, or is it source? I don't know, it's somewhere in the manual, okay. Let's see what connector... Oh, that is cool, man. Look at that. That's the old school look. I really like this. Not the look, but you push it down and you push it out. I really like buttons like that. It actually gives you feedback if it's on or off. And then we have the other connectors. But okay, let's put it on the side. And then I'm gonna try to put some hard drives in there and see how it's gonna work or how they fit and stuff. Vacha! There we go. I got 2 drives in here. This is my SSD and the other one is a hard drive. Both are SATA. Let's try to plug this in. It goes very nicely. You just push it in and it goes in. But let's see this one. This is a little bit wobbly. I'm not sure. I'm a little bit afraid to put it in there because it's my copy of my own drive. Okay, let's see. It's a bit fragile, guys. I don't know. Yeah, see, it kind of like wiggles around. I don't really like it, man. If I push it a little bit further, it might actually break something. See, there's a gap behind the drive. So if I would push it, then it might actually break something. The big one is obviously nice, but I don't know. This one is a little bit... I'm being very careful because that's the clone of my own drive and it's very important, so... let's put this on the side just in case so I don't damage it. Yeah, go away. Okay. This one is easy. That just plugs in and out very nicely. But okay, I'm gonna try to connect this up and show you some flashing lights and stuff. Okay, let's take a look at this cable. Wait, it looks... Oh, that's a C connector. I didn't even notice it. I thought that's a normal USB, but that's a C connector. So that's for like MacBooks and stuff. So that plugs in here. And then this one is the C connector. But I wonder if I can put the normal USB in here. I'm gonna actually test it. I'll find one cable and see if I can put the normal USB 3 cable. Hacha! There we go. that's a normal USB cable. I got the edge off before, but not for this one. Anyway, this is a normal USB 3 cable. You plug this into this one, so you don't need the C connector. And this one you plug into your PC. And I already put a hard drive in there on my PC and plugged it in there. And what do you know? It works. So it's normal USB 2, but the cable is not included, so that's the bad side of it. Alright, let's move on to the adapter then. Choose your plug, whichever you want to use. They're both same on the other side, so just take one. I'm gonna take the UK one. Then you just put it gently on the top, like this, and then you click it in, and that's it. And to take it out, you push that button in there, that one, and you just pull it out. It's easy as that. Then you plug it in, then the other end obviously goes into the socket, and then you push the button and it should do something. Yeah, there you go. The power light is on. Let's turn it around. There we go. So, there is also the clone function which works offline. You don't need to actually plug anything in. So, I think you hold it down. Yes, see the power? It came on. Okay, it went off. I'll do it again. You hold it down for about 3-4 seconds. Then you let it go, then the light comes on, and then you press it again, and then it starts cloning. So you don't need a PC to actually clone the drive to drive. I don't exactly know how fast it is. I assume as fast as the drive can, do it, but you plug both of them in there. I think this is the source and that's the destination. It's in the manual, so you can just look it up. And I was told that it doesn't work with encrypted drives like this one. My drive is encrypted, and I was told that it doesn't work in encrypted drives. So I assume that the cloning function is just copying the content from drive to drive, so it doesn't actually clone your partitions and stuff. I'm not sure about this. I don't have enough hard drives and drives to test it with, unfortunately. But I think it's just a file copying function. But anyway, guys, here is this awesome Alxum docking station, USB docking station, USB 3 to SATA docking station. And, well, I think I have told you everything there is to tell you. I really like this. It's awesome, but I don't see how you pronounce it as awesome. Anyway, guys, here you have this cool, awesome docking station, and I will see ya next time.